Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm doing curry chicken foot and corn dumpling with a piece of thai yam. Here I have 2 dry corn, some flour, piece of yam, sweet pepper, Irish, onion, carrot, hot pepper, garlic, scallion and thyme, and a pack of curry. And here is my chicken foot. Now my natural season, wash and clean up. Now I'm gonna cut it up. My Irish, my sweet pepper, my onion, carrot, scallion, hot pepper, garlic, thyme. Now I cleaned up and washed my chicken foot in vinegar. Now I'm gonna season it up using some powder jerk seasoning, using Maggi all-purpose seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, better pack curry powder, and mix it up. Add in my natural seasoning, cutting up the thyme. Now I'm gonna mix it all together now. Now my chicken foot finished season up. Here I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna add some salt into it. Now I'm grating my corn. Now my corn is finished grated. Now I'm gonna add my flour. Add in some salt. Now I'm mixing it up all together now. My flour. Add in some water. Now my pot is boiling up. Now Now all my dumplings are in the pot. Now I'm peeling my yam. Washing my yam. Now I'm gonna cut up my yam and add it to the pot. Giving my corn dumpling a stir. Now I'm gonna add my yam. And now I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna add some oil to burn my curry. Now I'm gonna add my curry into the oil to burn. Give it a stir to burn. Now I'm gonna add my chicken foot. Give it a stir. Giving it a stir. Now I'm gonna add some water. Now I'm gonna add in all my natural seasoning. Now my corn dumpling and yam is finished cook. And now my curry chicken foot is finished. Look at the gravy, nice and rich. Look at it. This is my finishing of my curry chicken foot, corn dumpling and thai yam. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.